But if we don't get it right, then it's like a domino effect, and it will sort of have an impact on the second and maybe the third wave of departures, because the aircraft don't have enough time to get out and come back again. What's your flight number? ZB, right, that's fantastic. Then you don't have to join that queue, my friend. Because of only handling, you didn't have to queue up any.
Through thousands of lives. Duncan Kennedy, BBC News, on the River Thames.
Well, the Prime Minister says Environment Agency staff on the ground are doing an amazing job and deserve support and thanks. That's despite criticism of the agency by one of his most senior ministers over the weekend. The agency says it's under financial pressure. Spending on new defences, Finland and Wales will total £2.3 billion over the 4 years up to 2015, but it claims budget cuts mean it's losing staff and expertise. How much is spent on flood defences and where they should go is now under intense scrutiny, as our science editor David Shupman reports.
The flooding is so serious, so widespread and so long-lasting that it's opened up divisions within government about how to respond.
Where's it, Gammy?
Somerset Level are at the centre of the dispute, with questions about what went wrong. Should the environment